What's up everybody, my name is Jesse, the Laotian, and today we're going to be taking the steering rack out of the Z. The steering on this car has always felt a little vague, and the power steering never really seemed to work. I can't figure out if it's the pump or if it's the rack, so we'll be taking the rack out to inspect it, clean it, and possibly rebuild it. Now, in the entire time I've owned this car, I've never actually jacked it up in the air because of the rust. So today, because the engine is out and we can support it on this cross member, we'll be jacking the car up in the air, removing the wheels, and removing the steering rack. The 4 lugs that hold on the wheel are all 21 millimeters. I like to use a breaker bar to make it easier. Unfortunately, there just isn't enough resistance in the car to make the wheel not move. I'll have to use air tool. And once you've got both wheels loose, you can start jacking up the car. Now that the car is jacked up, we can remove the wheels and take off the tie rods. And repeat that for over on the driver's side of the car, we have the tie rod end, which is what connects it to the steering rack. First, remove this cotter pin, take this nut off, and smack the tie rod out of the nut. Now that the cotter pin's out, we'll be removing this nut. Finally! So instead of taking the inner tie rod off the outer tie rod from inside the car, I'll just remove the whole rack and deal with it outside the car. Since I've already shown the process of taking off one of the tie rod ends, I'll do the other one off camera. So now that both tie rod ends have been removed from the wheels, next we're removing the 4 bolts that hold the steering rack in, lifting it out of the car. The 4 bolts that hold in the rack are all 14 millimeters. So now that the rack's out of the car, we can clean it up, service it, and make sure it's in good working condition before we put it back in. So while I was just feeling around the transmission, the thorough bearing just kind of fell off, and the clutch fork just kind of fell off too. In the up and coming weeks, we have plenty of things to clean, like the steering rack, power steering lines. We have an abundance of parts that have been living in the garage, all that have to be cleaned before we can put it back on the engine. We have engine blocks still to be reassembled. I'm waiting for parts to come in the mail. So over the next coming few weeks, we have lots and lots of things to do in order to get this car back on the road. That should be it for this episode. Thanks for watching.